how to post a project on your account on Freelancer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to post a project and get the work done on Freelancer. So all what you have to do is go to freelancer.com. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go here, click on the top on post a project, and now choose a name for your project. For example, if you want to say, let's say make videos, and then tell more about your project. Here you need to put details right here and add files, and then click next. And after you finish, it's gonna be posted and everything's gonna be done. It's very easy. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.